All Natural Dips here with another video to present to you how to make a cheesecake pie. You'll need a few ingredients, which is 8 ounces of whipped topping, 8 ounces of cream cheese, fresh or pre-made crust, and of course an All Natural Dips dessert mix, which you can find online at www.allnaturaldips.com. You'll start out by making sure your cream cheese is softened. Then you can add your white chocoholic raspberry or any flavored dessert mix that you desire. Pour it right on in and get to mixing. You're going to keep combining the mix until it is fully mixed into it, because the next step you don't want to mix nearly as much. So continue to mix until you see that it is completely combined as much as possible. Here you see our cream cheese is very well mixed and soft. So you're going to add your next ingredient, which is Cool Whip. Once you get the Cool Whip in there, you're going to want to fold it into the mixture. So continue to use a folding motion. And the reason we say this is because if you mix too much, it actually ends up runny, which is not good for your cheesecake. So as you can see, I did speed up the video a bit, but we are folding most of the time. You're going to continue to fold until you see the mixture completely combined, like I kind of did here. And then you are ready for our final step in the making process before you let it sit. Next, you're going to need your crust, whether pre-made or homemade. Go ahead and get it out and ready. You're going to take your spatula or spoon and put in the mixture right on into your pie. Go ahead and put it on in there all in one clump, because you'll be spreading it out in our next step. Once we've gotten all the mixture out, it's ready to start putting it into the cheesecake itself. So you're going to want to take all the top pieces and just start spreading them out, making sure that they get into all of the corners and the sides and fill in any space. So as you can see, here is mostly the finished product where I've smoothed it out and it's almost ready to go. Last but certainly most not least, you're going to want to put a top on it. If you've gotten one of those pre-made crusts, it comes right on with a lid for you. But of course, if you make your own, just put some sort of tin foil or something on it just to get it so that it's protected while in the refrigerator. That's right, refrigerate for an hour, or if you can let it sit overnight, it'll be even better. Here's our finished product. Our cheesecake has come out fully sliceable and ready to go. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and take our first cut, and as you can see, it slices very easily without getting all gooey or anything. And we can make nice, even slices. I'm ready to serve, so we're going to go ahead and put this delicious piece right there on the plate. Now let's add some topping. Here I've just used some chocolate sauce to just pour right on over. You can use any types of topping, sprinkles or raspberries or strawberries. Make it your own. Make it a wonderful topping, ready for your family to enjoy. Here we see our finished product. What a delicious looking cheesecake. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. You can follow us online at www.allnaturaldips.com.